Hello Linux folks! In today's video, we'll dive into the world of Linux customization and explore how to create a personalized and powerful terminal environment. We'll be using zsh, oh-my-zsh, and Qterminal with the power level 10K theme. So, without further ado, let's make your Linux terminal truly your own. First things first, let's start by installing zsh. It's a powerful alternative to the default bash shell. Open your terminal and run the following command: sudo apt install zsh. Hit enter, type in your password. Great! Now let's install oh-my-zsh, which is a fantastic framework for managing zsh configurations, plugins, and themes. To do that, head to their website, oh-my-zsh, click Install oh-my-zsh. Copy and paste this command into your terminal. Hit enter. Hit enter again to set zsh as your default shell. Type in your password. OMZ provides you with cool aliases and plugins such as GST for get status and GA for get add. You can find the comprehensive list on their website. Now let's continue on and install power level 10K. Go to their GitHub repo, scroll down, click Getting Started, click Install the recommended font, download these 4 files, now let's get back to the terminal. In your terminal, create a .ponts folder under your home directory. Move the downloaded fonts into the .ponts directory. Great! Let's refresh the fonts cache by using the fc-cache command. Type in fc-cache-v-f and the directory .fonts. Great! Let's do one more step before installing power level 10K. We'll need to install Qterminal. Qterminal is a lightweight and feature-rich terminal emulator. You can install it using sudo apt install Qterminal. Qterminal supports the fonts that power level 10K uses. Now let's open Qterminal and see how it looks. As you can see, the default configuration looks terrible, but we're going to fix that now. I have a cool configuration for Qterminal that you can use out of the box. Just clone the Installify repo on my GitHub account. You can use the gcl command, which is an alias for get clone. Let's cd into Installify. Now let's run the config Qterminal script. Now we're good to go. Let's see how Qterminal looks now. Yeah, that's much better, I guess. By the way, this configuration uses the fonts we installed a couple of minutes ago. Now that everything is looking great, let's make Qterminal as our default Qterminal emulator by running the set Qterminal as default script. Let's test to see if this is working by pressing the Ctrl-Shift-T. Okay, perfect, it's working. Now to the last step, installing Power Level 10K. Let's head over again to their GitHub repo, scroll down to the installation section, choose the oh-my-zsh option, copy and paste this command in your zsh terminal. As you can see, the default shell is still bash. That's because we need to restart or log out and log in again for the changing shell command to take effect. Type in exec zsh to switch to the zsh shell. Paste the command. Now to the next step. We need to set zsh theme variable in the .zshrc file to this value. Let's copy. Let's open the .zshrc file in your home directory using your favorite editor. Scroll down to the zsh theme line. Change it to the value that we've copied before. Quit and save. Now let's exec zsh one more time. You'll be prompted with this configuration wizard. Configure it to your likings. And voila! Now you have Qterminal and Power Level 10K installed. Let me show you one more thing. There are two keyboard shortcuts that I always use while working with Qterminal. The shortcuts are Ctrl-Shift-K for splitting your terminal vertically and Ctrl-Shift-O for splitting it horizontally. For example, you can have a running server on one of the splits, and on the other one, you can be editing your files, maybe also executing Git commands. You can do whatever you want. The possibilities are endless. Congratulations, you've successfully customized your Linux terminal using zsh, OMZ, Qterminal, and Power Level 10K. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Also, don't forget to leave a comment. I'm waiting for your feedback. See you on the next one.